Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Eric, and today I thought we'd talk about a neat devices, and I'll try to post them as we pick them up. But I was looking for something that we could fix and repair plastic with, because a lot of times it cracks and this and that. So what I end up with is this. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it works. Alright, so this here comes with all different sizes for to melt into your plastic. And the way it works is we simply just open this one up. And you got some real fine to heavy. So let's go with this one. This one. What we're going to do is we're going to take this piece of wire with the ends on it and push it into the holes on our gun. And it's going to sit just like that, okay? So if I want to work on plastic, like I have these two plastic pieces just to kind of use as an example, but I want to get them so that they're one piece. What I can do is just simply pull the trigger. It's plugged in. It's going to start getting hot. Let it get cherry red. Go down into the plastic. Let off. You want to let it cool first before you pull it out, or it'll just come right out with it. But once it cools down a little bit, all you got to do is just pull back. And then they also send with a kit a little nipper so you can nip them off. Let me get my nippers. They ain't worth nothing. You can just simply nip these ends off. And now you got a piece of plastic and if you wanted to get it really good, you could go right down through. Yeah, let me come around so I can see if you can see it. But it's melted right in, and you can just snip these off and you can keep going right down through to make it solid. And that's how you can fix a lot of the plastic stuff. Now the uses, you're pretty much, what does it say here? It's made in China, folks. It's not a high dollar thing. It's the FOLIV 200 watt professional plastic welding. And what does it say here? Well, that's German, I think. You can do plastic, metal foil, you can cut repair nets, melt with a trowel. So you can take, it comes with a bunch of other stuff here, guys. So you can take this netting or this foil and fix with that and heat these up. And it just requires that you change this adapter from that to this. They slide right over top. Like that. And then this whole section will heat up. And then you can take the mesh and then just mold it right into the plastic that you're working on. But I just thought it would be a neat gadget to try out, and I think it's going to work well for us. I got it on Amazon. I don't get no money for peddling this crap. But if you're looking for something to do plastic with, this is a great alternative. And it comes with its own kit, all these different sized pieces. You get the end where you can smooth it over. And then it comes with, like I say, you can melt the plastic pieces. And what else does it come with? It comes with a little X-Acto knife. Comes with a little set of clippers. As you can see, they aren't that great. I got a good Harbor Freight set that come with it. So hopefully you learned something. And I'll come up close so you can get a look at it. This is what it is. It's a plastic welding gun. And of course it's made in China. And I think you can buy them for under 30, 20 some dollars. So on that note, see, you learn something new every day, right? But you're going to want your own clippers.